This is my 657X Rotax Bombardier XP 94 Sea-Doo. Having some starting issues this summer. Had voltage but not enough cranking amps to engage the Bendix on the starter, so it was just kind of moaning and groaning on me. Took it to seadoo to verify that it wasn't the starter, and it turns out it was just the battery. So $100 later, new battery, fires right up. However, when I was at seadoo, they showed me that I had a broken exhaust stud. This guy right here was broken. We were able to, where I work, a technician was able to weld a nut onto it, and we were able to extract it, luckily. Saved me a lot of time, a lot of money. Great guy. So went to Ace, couldn't find one of these anywhere on the internet. Went to Ace, found a 40mm stainless steel 8x1.25 pitch, which is what the original was. I think it's a little longer than a 40mm, but this one was it was the longest I could find. Cut the head off, Loctited it, put it in there. Seems to be working. However, on my last ride, the nut backed off. This bolt fell out. This one loosened up, and as the other one did too. So I will be re-torquing or Loctiting, re-torquing, and going from there. Replaced my lines this summer so I could see my water flow for the cooling the exhaust and the head. While I was at it, I took my air breather off, cleaned out the screen in there real good, spark arrestor. It was pretty dirty, so I recommend doing that every now and again. Back to the battery front, always keep it on a maintainer. I had it for about 5 years, and it finally tuckered out on me. So every winter I keep them on a maintainer, otherwise you'll be buying these every other year. And word of the wise, always stuff towels through here. If you drop a bolt, I've done it. It's not fun fishing it out. And
Hi, Dad.
hi, babe. And I'll let you guys know after I'm done.